صلاة الله سلام الله على طه رسول الله. صلاة الله سلام الله على طه رسول الله.
We have never met him, we have never seen him. Yet, history can show no parallel to him. He has given us a religion uncomparable. That religion being Islam, and that person being our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It comes in an authentic ahadith that whosoever confers 1,000 durood upon our beloved Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam daily shall not die until he is given the good tidings of Jannah in his dream.
صلاة الله سلام الله على طه رسول الله. صلاة الله سلام الله على طه رسول الله. Mm-hmm.